The biggest misconception about cloud computing is actually that it's cheap. What people are really trying to drive for is intelligent services. That's what cloud computing is all about. It's become very complicated for organizations to figure out where data should live, how they should protect their data, and how to do this in a cost-effective manner, because that's where we started. This was cheaper. Now it's become a bit more complex and nuanced. What started as a public cloud computing, we're going to lift and shift and put everything in the cloud, has really bifurcated or fragmented actually. How we began is organizations needed to refresh their data center or replace their data centers. And instead of building their own infrastructure, they started thinking, perhaps I could use these new services where I buy servers and storage in something called the cloud instead of building my own data center. And that was great, but it was only the beginning of trying to get more data capacity. Cloud computing companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, IBM, all decided that they were going to provide a higher level of services. These could be things like tools for building cybersecurity solutions or SMS messaging gateways, lots of different things. So that was the second wave of the cloud. And now we're really going into this third wave of the cloud where organizations are saying, I don't want to just put my existing data in it the way I always did. How do you help me really change my business? Sometimes they call this a hybrid cloud strategy, and a hybrid cloud usually means that you have data on your premise and data in the cloud. They've gone from a no way with public cloud computing to saying, hey, the security in the cloud is actually oftentimes better than the security that I've created on premises. The largest cloud organizations in the world do a very good job at cybersecurity, but that still opens up some new concerns for how we should think about protecting data. It's very easy now for somebody to get a username and password, and can they somehow take data out of the cloud? Or the other challenge a lot of organizations have been having is, I have data in so many clouds now, and data is moving back and forth, so what are the software and solutions that people are going to use to make sure that that data is protected? If we fast forward another decade, we basically see every organization in a hybrid multi-cloud world where they're buying software in the cloud, they're buying infrastructure in the cloud, and they're buying a whole range of services. That doesn't mean that nothing's on premise, but it definitely means that they have a fully distributed environment that they're working with.